how to earn money from StudyPool. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how you can earn the money from StudyPool. So to get started with earning, first thing what you can do is users can actually sell their study documents, or you can also provide your tutoring services. So if you want to become a tutor, you can just tap on this become a tutor button by simply heading over to studypool.com from any of your browser. Just select this button, that is become a tutor button over here, and once you select it, you can just tap on this apply now, and you can just create your account. You can just sign up and create a new account and start giving high quality answers to the students questions and receive payment for their time and expertise. So you can also sell the documents by simply clicking on this button over here by to sell the documents, and make sure you upload the documents like notes, your homeworks, or assignments by simply tapping on this over here and on a portion of the sale price when students view them. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.